Bhagalpur district is in the southeastern part of Bihar state. Bhagalpur city, known as Silk City, lies south of Ganga river, which is the integral part of the lives of many people here. Bihar was hit by incessant rains and flooding towards the last week of September 2019, in which Patna, Bhagalpur and Kaimur were the most severely affected districts. Apart from river Ganga, other rivers like Kosi and Ghagra were also above the danger level at various places across the state. The floods affected about 12 million people in 15 districts. Bhagalpur, along with Samastipur and Patna, registered the highest rainfall, approximately 135 mm in 24 hours. Continuous rains and resultant flooding have roughly affected about 1.5 lakh households across 493 villages in 223 panchayats covering all 16 blocks of Bhagalpur district. The multi-disaster prone state of Bihar requires a multidisciplinary approach to deal with these disasters. The purpose of this exercise by Humanitarian Aid International, with financial support from HCL Foundation and Caritas India, is to carry out artificial intelligence-based damage and loss assessment to guide relief and recovery response in a way that it leads to long-term solution in a perennially flood-prone area. The data captured through aerial survey by drone with sophisticated cameras and sensors attached with it. The district, located in the middle Ganga plains and surrounded by many rivers with higher precipitation, suffered the ravages of flood. observed from the flood point of view that the vulnerability of the district is related to factors such as location, socio-economic status, higher population density, far below disaster preparedness, and lack of awareness of the people. HAI is dedicated to provide its analysis to the concerned authorities for disaster management in future.